Hey, what's going on, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now, today we're going to be learning how to draw a doctor. Special shout out to all you healthcare workers out there. We appreciate your work so much. Well, I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Let's get down to the drawing. Let's go see what we can come up with. So for the first step making our doctor, we're going to begin by making one curved line. Now to the left of that curved line, we're going to begin to make the left side of our doctor's head. In just a moment, when I move my hand out of the way, you will see that the line that we're making is going to be a little bit of a weird shape. Now at the bottom of this, we're going to make a C-like shape for the ear. Fantastic. Now if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Now underneath of the ear, we're going to connect it all the way over to the right hand side. Sweet, now let's make one line going up and down from the top to the bottom. Whoa, that's a really good start for our doctor's face. So let's move up top and let's give our doctor some hair. Now, I don't think my doctor's hair is going to look super cool, but if you want to make your doctor's hair really stand out, you could give your doctor a mohawk or make his hair super spiky, or you could even leave him bald. There's a whole list of things that you could do differently than what I'm doing right now. Awesome, now let's move down below where we will begin to give our doctor eyebrows as well as eyes. Later on in the video, I'm going to color my doctor's eyebrows and hair orange. Do you think I should have colored it differently? Comment down below. Also, what color are you going to color your doctor's hair? Comment that down below as well. So directly below our eyebrows, we're going to make two big circles for the eyes. Inside of each circle, we're going to add another circle. And then we're going to color in the gap that is white in between the two circles black. Wow, those eyes look really awesome. So for the nose, we're going to make a backwards C-like shape. Our doctor's nose won't be very large. Now underneath of the nose of my doctor, I'm going to add in a nice big open smile. If you just want to use a U-like shape to give your doctor a smile, that'll work out too. Now to finish the head of our doctor, we're going to go over to the left side and we're going to add a little bit of detail into the ear. If you just want to make a simple T-like shape, that'll work out very well. Now every single doctor that I've ever seen has a stethoscope around their neck. So right now we're going to make our doctor's stethoscope. Awesome, that looks fantastic. Now for this next step, we're going to begin to make the jacket of our doctor. So now moving over to the right side, we're going to make it appear as if our doctor is holding a clipboard. So we're going to begin to make the right arm, and then we will make a clipboard in his hand. Now on the clipboard, I'm just going to scribble in the middle, but it would be kind of funny if you wrote some actual letters down. Now let's hop on over to the left side and let's make the second arm for our doctor. In this arm and hand, we will not have any objects. That looks great. Now underneath of the jacket for our doctor, we're going to begin to make legs. Each leg will look similar to a square. Underneath of those legs that we just made, we're going to go ahead and add in some very small shoes. Now for the last step, we're going to finish our doctor's jacket as well as add a tie. Thanks for drawing with us. Now let's color in our doctor.